Hey there! Today I'm going to do a 12-inch dirty pour canvas. I've got a little bit of Aqua left, and I'm going to add a little bit more because I don't think I have quite enough for what I want to do. So it's a little bit of this Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green. And this is Sky Blue by Creative Inspirations. And then I'm going to add some Floetrol, latex based. And this is a 1-to-1 ratio. There's the label. It's mixed in all my paints 1-to-1. And then I add water that has some Floetrol mixed in, so it comes out a little bit on the white side. So I just fill up a bottle of water and leave about 10% or so of space in it to add some Floetrol to it, and it makes it a lot easier to mix into your paint. So you want that to pour off your stick in a steady stream, and it is. I'm going to use OGX coconut milk, which is anti-breakage serum, a half pump. A little bit goes a long way with that, so a few stirs and it's good. I know that y'all like for me to do swipes and do fun things, but I actually really enjoy just doing a basic dirty pour. So this is bronze. In my squeeze bottle it has silicone in it. All my squeeze bottles have silicone. This is gold by Liquitex Basics. This is copper by DecoArt. This color you just saw me mix, and this is brilliant blue and Paynes gray. I have just a little bit left, so it's Paynes gray. This is Creative Inspirations by Jerry's Artorama, and Artist Loft brilliant blue, which is a really bright blue. So mixed together, it creates this really deep, almost navy blue color. So I'm going to start the bottom of the cup with the metallic gold and copper. Some of this deep Paynes gray. Then a bunch of turquoise. And it's going to take 5 ounces to cover this canvas, so I'll probably put more than 5 ounces just to have some extra. Put some bronze in, a little bit of white. Then let's see, I'll do the rest of the Paynes gray. I've had fun using that color today. I don't ever use Paynes gray. I'll do the bronze again, then a bunch of the turquoise, metallic gold, do a squirt of the bronze. Let's see if I can get any more Paynes gray out. I don't think I can, but there's a dribble. And finish off, I guess, with the copper. There is a beautiful cup of colors. The white in my bottle is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. I don't know if I showed that or not, so I'm gonna go ahead. I think this time I'm going to just throw it on here. I like to do that sometimes. Beauty in the cup. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Oh, it's so pretty. That is gorgeous. I'm going to put a little bit of this on. It is like poster board, but it's made for dry erase markers, and it's got a plastic coating so you can write on this poster board with a dry erase marker and then wipe it back off. So I bought this poster board at an office supply store, and I cut it up into small pieces, and it's fabulous for acrylic skins because it's sturdy and heavy enough to where you don't have it being flimsy on you. And then when it dries, you can make your acrylic skin and take the paint right off. It's just super. So there's some beautiful paint right there. I'm going to put aside to dry. So I let it sit, especially if you have coconut milk serum in it. It provides nice big cells. Of course, I have some squirt bottles with silicone in it, so that is going to cause the smaller cells, which are happening as well. So I'm going to just finish out this gold. Well, I'm going to leave a little in case I want it for touch-ups. Put a little copper around. You're always kind of afraid that you're not going to have enough paint. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like when you're on a diet and you feel like you're going to starve to death. It's like you can't get enough paint on your canvas, right? So I'm just going to take my finger and kind of move this paint around a little bit. And that way it has something to kind of greet up and meet up and just roll right over. So because my squeeze bottles had silicone, I'm not going to be able to keep, I don't think, my bigger cells because it's been in the squeeze bottles, it's been shaken, so it's going to be a smaller cell kind of structure, which is what I love about my squeeze bottles when I do the swiping technique. But we will see what we get with this anyway. We get some stretched out cells, but pretty colors. So I'm coming this way now so I can bring out a little bit more of this copper part here. I'm just making sure I have enough paint on the edges. I like the colors. I'm going to take this copper and try to drag it a little bit over so it goes over the edge a little bit more. So this right here, I feel like it needs a little bit of interest. So I think what I'll do is pour this ribbon and then let it stretch out. And that looks better already, I think. I don't want to lose that in the corner, so I'm going to come back this way. So what I'm going to do is take my skewer and just see if I can drag this over to make it feel a little bit more significant. So I didn't really mean for it to look like a sun radiating out or anything like that. So let me see. A little copper with that. I'm going to leave that. I'm not going to tilt. Just see if I can. There's some hard edges where I stopped my swiping with the skewer, so I'm just trying to get it to blend in a little bit better. A little splash of gold there. Maybe just a little bit of copper. Coming through the corner here. A little gold and copper here. Put just a little bit of gold right here in this spot of blue. A little bronze. Okay. So there's that little bit of ribbon in the corner there that I put, and it spread out with the cells. And there's a little bit in the corner there that I added the ribbon that's kind of circular, but and I added that touch of gold and copper in the corner there. But I think it's kind of solar system earthy looking. I like it. I like the blues and metallics together. Let's see if I can get this dark blue area just to intermingle a little bit better so it doesn't stand out so much. But that's pretty much it. Make sure I got all my edges taken care of. Sometimes your paint will separate where the silicone is, and you have to just kind of keep going back and dabbing the paint on so that it doesn't get down to the white of the canvas, which sometimes will happen. So you just keep adding paint until no canvas pops through. So if you have some trouble areas, you just keep plopping that paint on there. So I'm going to go lay this one down flat before I go tilting it too much. I see a drip of gold that's like a total circle, so just getting that out of the way. Alright, there it is. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.